Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we will be discussing how to plot a sunburst plot in R programming. So let us start with sunburst plot. What is sunburst plot? A sunburst plot is a data visualization technique that is often used to display hierarchical data in a circular or hierarchical fashion. It is similar to a traditional pie chart, but it can represent multiple levels of data and subcategories in a more organized and structured manner. As you can see in the diagram, there are different levels which are not present in a pie chart. This can be only done using sunburst plot. We have collected data from 2007 T20 Cricket World Cup. The participating teams were Bangladesh, South Africa, West Indies, Australia, England, Zimbabwe, Kenya, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan and Scotland. Next we have taken total runs scored by a particular team in the whole tournament. You can see that Bangladesh has total run of 655, South Africa 782, West Indies 369. Rest all we can see. That is, it is their total team score in the whole tournament. Next, we have collected the top 3 scorers of a particular team and combined it. Suppose we have for Bangladesh 331 runs. That is, their top 3 scorers scored 331 runs out of 655. For South Africa, their top 3 scorers scored 403 out of 782 in the whole tournament. The top 3 scorers, the combined runs of that particular team in the whole tournament. Now we arrange the data in the following manner. We put the headings as levels, parents and values. Under levels, first we put 2007. For this we don't have any parent. The value corresponding to it 0. We will not have any parent for 2007 because 2007 will be in the center and it will be the parents of all the 12 teams. As you can see, for Bangladesh, it is written in short form BAN. Its parent is 2007. That is, 2007 will be the center and inside there will be Bangladesh and corresponding value of Bangladesh is 655. Next we see top 3 Bangladesh. For top 3 Bangladesh, the parent is Bangladesh and its value is 331. That is, after 2007, there will be Bangladesh and above it, there will be top 3 Bangladesh. Similarly, for South Africa, top 3 South Africa, West Indies, top 3 West Indies, Australia, top 3 Australia, England, top 3 England, Zimbabwe, top 3 Zimbabwe, Kenya, top 3 Kenya, New Zealand, top 3 New Zealand, Sri Lanka, top 3 Sri Lanka, India, top 3 India, Pakistan, top 3 Pakistan, Scotland, top 3 Scotland, and corresponding to it there are its parents and there are their corresponding values. For drawing the sunburst plot, we need to install a package called ggplot2. After installing the package, we call the CSV file. Data equals to read.csv, the file name .csv, header. After that, we need to attach the data. We use the command attach in bracket data. After that, we use the library function, library bracket plotly. After that, figure equals to plot underscore ly bracket levels equals to capital LABELS, parents equals to parents, values equals to values, type equals to sunburst. Here, these levels, parents and values are the headings of the Excel file. After that, we will put figure and we will get our required diagram. So this is our required diagram. 2007 is at the center, and as you can remember, in the Excel file, the data that we have arranged corresponding to 2007, there was no parent value because it should be in the center, and value corresponding to it is 0. Next, we've seen for Bangladesh. Next team that was Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is attached to 2007. That is, 2007 is the parent of Bangladesh, and top 3 Bangladesh is above Bangladesh. That is, Bangladesh is parent of top 3 Bangladesh. There are 12 teams attached to 2007. Bangladesh, New Zealand, South Africa, all the participating teams are attached to 2007. That is, 2007 is parent of all the participating teams. Now suppose we see for Bangladesh, the value corresponding to it was 655 and top 3 Bangladesh corresponding value was 331. So for if we click on Bangladesh, it changes. It almost become the Bangladesh is the parent of top 3 Bangladesh. You can see it clearly. Bangladesh corresponding value 655, top 3 Bangladesh corresponding value is 331. Now if we click here, we will get the original figure. Now suppose we click on India. The runs scored by India was 1037 and their top 3 contribution was 529. If we click it, we will get the original figure. So that's the ending of this Sunburst plot video. Thank you for your patience hearing.